In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced Level. In this lecture, I will solve NTS past paper senior science teacher math. The surface area of part of the parabola z is equal to x square plus y square that lies between the planes z is equal to 0 and z is equal to 9. Solution: that is, the surface is the level surface of the function f of x y. Z is equal to x square plus y square minus z. The regions R is the disk. Z is equal to x square plus y square less than or equal to 9 as integral R del f absolute divided by del f dot k absolute dx dv. So del f is equal to 2x 2y minus 1. Del f dot k is equal to minus 1. Integral R del f divided by del f dot k dx dy is equal to as integral R integral 1 plus 4x square plus 4y square dx dy. Since R is the disk radius 3, it is convenient to use polar coordinate. In R square we obtain 4 into x square plus y square is equal to 4r square. Integral R del f divide del f dot k dx dy. Integral 0 to pi 2 pi integral 0 to 3 integral under root of 1 plus 4 r square r dr d theta, so equal to 2 pi integral 0 to 3 under root of 1 plus 4 r square r dr. Put u is equal to 1 plus 4 r square du is equal to 8 r dr. So r is equal to 0, u is equal to 1 and r is equal to 3. U is equal to 37 is equal to integral r df divided by absolute of del f dot k dx dy, so which is equal to 2 pi 1 divided by 8 integral 1 to 37 under root of u r dr d theta is equal to 2 pi dot 1 divided by 8 u power 3 divided 2 fraction 3 divided 2 1 to 37 integral r df dot del f dot k dx dy is equal to 2 pi 1 divided by 8 2 divided by 3 into 37 power 3 by 2 minus 1, so which is equal to pi divide 6 into 37 under root of 37 minus 1. So option A is correct, that is pi by 6 37 under root of 37 minus 1. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.